Assalamualaikum and good morning. Our group to present about the tool design project 1. My name is Muhammad Mirza Ashraf Hilmi. My material number is 24 DTP 21 F1042. Introduction. This is our logo, Bugatti logo. Bugatti logo, the latest EB, Etro Bugatti's initial. The designer designed an eye-catchy emblem where both the letter were conjoined and the letter E was written in reverse. This emblem, later on, became an important aspect of the Bugatti logo. Type of mold. We use the injection molding. Injection molding is a manufacturing process used to produce part and product by injecting molten material, typically plastic, into a mold or cavity. Making the mold itself is the first step in the injection molding process. The majority of molds are composed of metal, typically steel or aluminum, and are expertly machined to meet the specifications of the product they are meant to create. The material for the part is fed into the heated barrel and combined using a helical shape screw-ons the mold maker has made the mold. The material in the barrel is melted using heating bands, and the molten plastic or metal is then poured into the mold cavity, where it cools and solidifies to take on the shape of the mold. Material our use is polytetrafluoroethylene. Polytetrafluoroethylene is a fluorocarbon solid as a high molecular weight polymer consisting fully a carbon and fluorine. Polytetrafluoroethylene has one of the lowest coefficient of friction of any solid. That is hydrophobic. It does not absorb water or compounds that contain water. It also has low electric polarizing ability. Polytetrafluoroethylene is thermoplastic polymer that has great strength, toughness, and self-lubricant at low temperature. Self-lubricant at low temperature is down to 5 Kelvin, and good flexibility at temperature above 194 Kelvin. At the room temperature, polytetrafluoroethylene is a white solid with a density of around 2,200 kg and a melting point of 600 Kelvin.
So next, my name is Muhammad Adi Farhan bin Ruslan and my matrix number is 24 DTP 21F1034. So I will present about core cavity, insert and parting line. First one is core. So this is our product core for Bugatti logo, and the second one is cavity for the logo. So next is core plate. Core plate is project into the cavity place and creates hollow portions in the plastic component. The next one is cavity plate. The cavity plate used to create cavity via a gap that will be filled with the material that we use is plastic. The clamping plate is to hold the top mold. And the next one is bottom clamping plate is for hold the bottom mold. So the Last part is the ejector plate. The ejector plate is to push or eject pins forward to eject the part from the cavity or core. Ejector retainer plate. The function of ejector retainer plate is to lock the heads of the pins so they don't come out during the injection molding process.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Hakim, and continue to our presentation. We have support. We have support plate. It for support the mold and all the component within the mold. And next we have spacer plate. Spacer plate is for to provide a space between two component and more component in the mold. Next we have return pin. Return pin is for ejector mechanism. Is to return the ejector mechanism to its original position. Cooling system is to ensure the uniform cooling of the mold product and then eject the product out within the short period of time. And lastly, we have cooling component. Feed system in mold. In mold design, a feed system also referred to as a gating system. Is the configuration of channel and outer element that make it easier for molten material, typically plastic or metal, to move from the spur or the point where the material is inserted into the mold to the cavity where the finished part is formed for the casting or molding process to be successful or error-free. The feed system design is essential. First, we have spur. A spur is a mold tube or tunnel that facilitated the injection or pouring of molten material into the mold cavity, including metal, plastic, and other material. The main point to entry for the material is the spur, which is made to direct the material into the mold in regulated or even manner.
This detailed drawing of mold. This is Bugatti drawing and 2D drawing model for Bugatti logo. After the drawing of the Bugatti logo is complete, the logo will be processed by the molding machine. This is mold drawing, 3D CAD model, and 2D drawing model. This is exploded drawing and assembly drawing. Sustainable element to increase to life. Designing for sturdiness. Consider longevity and ease of maintenance when designing equipment. This can lower how often replacements are needed. Second, management of coolant and lubricant. Make use lubricants and coolants that are less hazardous to the environment. Third, instruction and practice. Employees should receive training in sustainable production techniques to raise knowledge of environmental issue and promote tool use responsibly. Conclusion. In conclusion, in this project, we are able to produce our product using plastic injection molding method and learn how the process work. Other than that, we get to learn each part in injection molding and its function in details. From all observation, we have been achieved all objective and PLO process learning outcome in the subject. Lastly, the injection molding is considered as most important processes in the production of plastic and it has a very wide list of kinds product it can be produced, which make it very versatile. That's all for us. Thank you.